Have you ever heard of ChatGPT 4? It's a really cool tool that can help with writing, translating, and even creating virtual assistants. With ChatGPT 4, you can write content for websites, social media, and marketing materials. And the best part? The tool can generate content that sounds like a human wrote it. ChatGPT 4 can also translate text from one language to another. So, if you want to reach a broader audience, you can use ChatGPT 4 to translate your content into multiple languages. If you're interested in creating virtual assistants that can answer questions and provide support, ChatGPT 4 can help with that too. By training the model on specific datasets, you can create personalized virtual assistants that can assist customers in a human-like way. But how do you use ChatGPT 4 effectively? Here are some tips. Define your objective before using ChatGPT 4. This will help you focus on the information you need to generate. Choose the right data to train the model. Make sure you choose data that is most relevant to your objective. Take the time to train the model on the data that is most relevant to your objective to improve accuracy. Generate multiple iterations of your content to refine the output. Always check the output generated by ChatGPT 4 to ensure it's accurate and relevant. And if you're wondering what kind of projects you can complete with ChatGPT 4, here are some ideas. Content generation for websites, social media, and marketing materials. Language translation for reaching a broader audience. Virtual assistants that can provide customers with personalized support and assistance. Chatbots that can answer customer queries and provide support. Creative writing projects where you can use ChatGPT 4 to generate new ideas and concepts. So, there you have it. ChatGPT 4 is a powerful tool that can help with many language-related tasks. With the right training and approach, you can unleash its full potential and take your language processing to the next level.